In a world driven by digital conversations, how does a company truly connect its users? Meet Boatyard, a groundbreaking platform focused on enhancing marine experiences for boaters everywhere. Founded in 2014 and acquired by MarineMax, Boatyard aims to enrich the boating community's journey. Their mission? Simplifying connections between boat owners and essential marine service providers. Yet, as Boatyard's user base expanded, cracks began to show in their in-house chat system. Growing demands revealed that building a chat solution internally was becoming a costly diversion. Sam Heber, Boatyard's CEO, confirmed frustrations, stating they needed a modern chat solution. After evaluating options, CometChat emerged as a standout player due to its user-friendly UI kit. CometChat not only provided modern features but also offered support that reassured the Boatyard team. Today, Boatyard thrives with CometChat's integration, witnessing a surge in user engagement and efficiency.